Hi everyone, I'm here to share some Christmas cards that I've been making with you. I'm using this Anna Griffin Snow Globe Shaker card kit. I've had this in my stash, oh my goodness, probably 2 or 3 years. And I decided to pull it out and use it because it was an easy kit. It makes fast cards, and here are some of the cards that you can make using the kit. They're super adorable, and everything's like a sticker, and it has foam dots. It has everything that you need. The only thing I really added was some, like on this one, I added some Dollar Tree snowflake stickers, and I added some of my own ribbon. And then on the tree on the inside, I added some sequins onto the Christmas tree. But other than that, I pretty much used everything that was in the kit. And they're so cute. They look like snow. This cute little red bird. He's adorable. And then it says, wishing you a warm wonder and happiness this Christmas. I thought they were super cute. Here's one with a snowman. Christmas wishes. I love the little snow. Looks like snow. I love it. Wishing you joy this Christmas. That's another one. And this one is with love at Christmas. The house. And I popped these presents down here in this leaf. Everything came in the kit, and everything's a sticker, so you just peel the back. Now in between right here, I added the foam. And joy to you and me. Merry Christmas. And here's another one with the bird, just for you. I thought they turned out super cute. And this kit makes 20 cards. So I'm going to start sending these out to all my crafty friends. 'Tis the season. Here's one with a cute deer, the Christmas tree on his back. Oh, he is super cute. Season's greetings. And I love the colors, and I love the little characters they send to put into snow globes. It's so cute. There's another one with a snowman. And this is the one with a bear. He's got a Christmas tree on his back. And this is another one where I added the Dollar Tree stickers for the snowflakes. That one. And then here's another one that's really cute with the bunny. He's in a wagon. You can hardly see because of the snow, but he's in a wagon. Super cute. He's got his little tree. Sending cheer. I just thought these are so cute. Another one with a deer. I put a snowman on the front of this one. Merry Christmas. And here I used a Dollar Tree little deer sticker. Just added a little something extra to it. I didn't do that on all of them. There's another one with a bear. And here's the one with a bicycle. So much snow in these things, it's hard to see. I don't have the bicycle. Warmest wishes. Here's another one with a bicycle. 'Tis the season. So I'll be sending these out to my crafty friends. And if you've already sent me a Christmas card, I will be sending you one back. So thank you. I do have a few that I'm going to share in a video coming soon. Let It Snow, another one with a bird. I love that bird. He's so cute. Here's another one with a deer. And here's another one with the rabbit in the wagon. That's another one with a bear. And I put a bow on this one that I had in my stash, and a Dollar Tree sticker with the Christmas tree and the snowflakes. I just added a little something extra to some of them, not all of them. And this is the one with the camper. And that's so pretty. Sending cheer. A very Merry Christmas to you. So that is my Christmas card share for now. Like I said, I used this kit right here, Anna Griffin Snow Globe Shaker Card Kit. And I purchased this from HSN, and I've had it for years. I love Anna Griffin's card making kits. They're so fast and so easy, and they make some really beautiful cards. So that's it for now. I hope everyone likes my cards. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.